Hello, I'm Farhan
Hello, my name is Shrivats.
and we are from Sky. As you all know, this month we are doing all about examinations. So today's topic is something which every one of us have thought about at any point of time in life. Which is the toughest examination, three common toughest examination actually in India. So Shrivats, can you shed light on that? What are or which are the three toughest examination in India?
So, statistically speaking, the three examinations that are the most common and the toughest examination held in India are JEE, which is the engineering examination, common admission test for the students who wants to get into a business school or management school, and the third is the civil service examination, which is the UPSC examination.
Yeah, so I think these are the three toughest, and I think
Yes.
UPSC will top the list. And one more thing that I feel we have not mentioned, that we are not taking the NEET examination in our top three, and I hear Shahid Kapoor coming at this point of time. Yeah, sorry about this. So let's begin with our topic. So Shivats, can you shed light on the toughest one according to me also, and if you will agree with me, and I think our viewers will also, is the UPSC.
Yeah,
Can you
right.
shed some light on that?
So UPSC tops the toughest examination which are being held in India, and an aspirant has to pass three stages, which are the prelims examination, mains examination, and the interview process. And the rejection for each aspirant at each level is going to be tougher and tougher.
Can you shed some stats of these things? Like, are there some stats that how many people give examination, how many people are selected, or something like that?
The stats goes like this: 50% of the candidates appear for the prelims examination from the total number of the candidates to apply, with only 5% of the candidates make it to the main exams. About 20% of those who appear in the main move to the final stage, while only 40% qualify out of the 20% and make it to the services.
That was quite insightful, whatever you told us, and I think your viewers will also find the same. So let's move on to the second one in our list.
Yeah, so Farhan, please tell us about the JEE examination which is being held.
So, if I'm talking about JEE examination are held in two parts: JEE Mains and JEE Advance. Let's talk about the JEE Advance. I feel the JEE Advance is the toughest one, and the intelligence or the IQ is tested in these kind of examinations. So the most smartest people, or the most deserving candidates are selected out, and they are offered to study in the most prestigious colleges or prestigious engineering colleges of India. And I feel I remember some stats back in my days also. I think this will suffice now also, that around 14 lakhs of student, 14 lakh student, more than 14 lakh student give examination, and only few thousands of them are get selected because
Got
seats
it.
are very
Yeah.
less. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on to the third examination, which is CAT examination for MBA. Just shed some light about how the examination is held, some stats about it, and what they try to see in the candidate.
So the common admission test, which is being held once a year for those people or those students who wants to get into a Premier B school. So in this examination, the examination tests the students' ability to logical reasoning, English language, and the mathematical skills.
So, can you tell some stats about these things?
Yeah. So the common admission test, which is held once a year, and around 25 lakh candidates apply for it, out of which only 1500 to 2000 students get an admission into top tier business schools.
So that was quite insightful, and I'll again say sorry that we have not included NEET examination in this. But I want to mention there are some other examination also which are tough, very tough according to me also, and our viewers will also agree with me. Okay?
Absolutely.
Yeah, NEET examination, CA examination, NDA.
Yeah.
Okay. I think these are also toughest
also
examinations.
the banking-
Yeah,
banking
banking examinations.
examinations.
Yeah, these are the toughest examination. Apart from our one which we discussed, are also the toughest one. I don't say that these are the easier one or something like that.
But yes,
But-
these are the common.
Yeah, these are the common one, and we just wanted to include top three examination. So give us your views about it, in comment, and do like this video, and if you're new to the channel, do subscribe it.
And do comment like what you are giving or for what examination you are prepared.
Sure, yeah, that is the very good thing. You can tell about your views on which examination you want to give, okay? And if we'll see that that is important, to us, or how important it is to you, we'll connect with you and we'll tell you how to, crack those examinations or how to attempt those examinations and that sort of things. We can have a conversation upon that. So let's end it here.
Yeah, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this particular video.
Yeah, that will do. That should be done. And do check out our description box, in which you'll get a Google form about the new things or the technology part of EdTech. Okay, in which you can give your ideas how education technology can be helped with new technologies. Okay, that's it. So we are ending it here. I'm Farhan,
I'm Shrivats.
signing off.